starting out bright and early in the morning. You can even see my breath. I created the beautiful endings video with a sunset in the background. I was really hoping to have a sunrise for this one, but it's a little too foggy for that. Sometimes beginnings don't happen exactly the way we want to, but we can do what we can do. So let's prepare ourselves for new beginnings. I'm shooting this just at the end of December with the preparation for the new year, but New Year's Day is relatively arbitrary. We can start new beginnings any day, anytime the sun comes up, even throughout the day. Oh, it's a new hour. Celebrate. Let's start something new. So close your eyes, take a deep breath. And think about some new beginning you'd like to start. Allow yourself to be aware of what you might need to let go of. Take a deep breath, open your eyes, and taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to have an awesome new beginning. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to create an awesome new beginning. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to create an awesome new beginning. As much as I can, I'm starting fresh. Because there are things I want to create. And even if I'm already part of the way there, I can create a new beginning right now. I choose to have an awesome new beginning. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved. I choose to create an awesome new beginning. I'm starting fresh in so many ways. Making a new beginning towards what I really want. And I'm giving myself permission to let go of anything that's holding me back. All that stuff I've been holding on to from the past year, past decade, the past hour, anything from the past that doesn't serve me, I've given myself permission to let it go. Dropping dead weight so that it's much easier for me to move forward. I can honor the past in whatever ways I need to. I can honor the people from the past in whatever ways are appropriate. I can even honor my past self because I was doing the best I could with what I had. And now I'm giving myself a fresh start. And I'm creating an awesome new beginning. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And I wish you an awesome new year or new day or new minute or whatever it might be, wherever you're at as you're watching this. And as stuff comes up along the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.